If you're looking for a free, real easy way to set up a local development environment, then this video is for you. Let's dive in. So if you go to localwp.com, you can download local and install it. Once you've got it installed, then go ahead and launch it. And I've got 3 local sites here so far. You're going to want to add your first local site, create a new site, continue, give your site a name, continue, use the preferred settings, continue, add your username and password. Keep in mind that when you push your site to production, you're going to want to make sure that this password is very strong. And once it starts doing this, what it's doing on your PC is creating for your first site a folder called local sites, and I'll show you how to find it on your computer in a moment. And the other thing it's doing is for each of your local sites, you have a subfolder, and the folder will be the exact same name as the name you've given your site. And within that, you've got WordPress being installed, all the core files. You've got your 3 most recent default themes from WordPress itself. So once that's all done, then I'll show you how to find those files on your computer in just a moment. It's still busy. Okay, when it's all done, this is what you should see. And like I said, if you navigate to your folders, then you can do a search on your drive for the folder called local sites. And I like to have that pinned to quick access so that on the left hand side here, I can just quickly go into that folder. So you can see here each of the local sites and the one that we just did. So if you want, you can navigate to the theme files, which is in WP content, themes, and then there they are there. So then at this point, if you're wanting to get into the code, you can install Visual Studio Code or whichever software you prefer. And then you can open up these files within VS Code and start modifying the themes or adding your own theme. So that is stuff that I will be covering in future videos. All right, at this point, you're going to want your SSL certificate to be installed. Now, this isn't your official one that you're going to have on your production site. It's really just for your development environment. So click Trust. This installs the certificate on your local site, and then go into WP admin, log in using your username and password. And then go into settings general, because you can see here it's not secure. So you're going to want to add that S here. And this helps out when you're developing your site, when you're developing your navigation or adding links. You want everything to be using the S version. All right, hope that makes sense. So you save that, you get kicked out, log back in, and at this point now you can see that it's secure. Okay, so another thing I wanted to briefly mention is I have hosting currently with Flywheels, so you can easily push your site from local to Flywheel. And let me know in the comments below if you're interested in learning more about adding another host here. Another option you have is within your WordPress, you can actually use a plugin that I often recommend, which is called All-in-One Migration, and that might be a really good solution for you in terms of creating that zipped file and migrating to your choice of web host. So this one here, all-in-one WP migration. And I do currently have a video to help you with not going from local to production, but the other way around, because a lot of production sites don't actually have a staging site. So this sort of workflow can work out great for you. Well, I hope you found this helpful. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. I'll see you there.